Unveiling errors. Mastering articles and determiners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of English grammar, specifically focusing on articles and determiners. In this session, we'll uncover the common mistakes people often make while using these tiny, yet crucial components of English sentences. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to spot and correct these errors. So, let's get started. Before we proceed, let's briefly recap what articles and determiners are. In English, articles are the words a, o, and the. They are used before nouns to indicate whether the noun is specific or nonspecific. On the other hand, determiners are words that provide context to the noun, indicating aspects such as quantity, possession, specificity, and definiteness. Examples include my, this, that, these, those, few, many, etc. Now, let's discuss some common errors involving articles and determiners. 1. Missing article. Articles are often left out before singular, countable nouns. For example, saying, I have cat, instead of, I have a cat. 2. Unnecessary article. Using articles where they aren't needed is also a common mistake. For instance, the Spain is beautiful, instead of, Spain is beautiful. 3. Incorrect article. This occurs when a or n is used incorrectly. For instance, I saw elephant, instead of, I saw an elephant. 4. Misuse of determiners. Determiners like this, that, these, those, can be tricky. For example, saying, this book is good, instead of, this book is good. Now that we've covered common mistakes, let's practice spotting these errors. 1. I saw apple in the store. 2. Can you pass me the salt and pepper? 3. I love Italy, the food is great. 4. My mom cooks best food. Exercise. Identify the errors in these sentences and try correcting them. A crucial part of learning is reviewing and practicing. Keep these points in mind. Review what we've discussed today regularly. Practice identifying and correcting errors with friends or on your own. Try to read more in English. Reading not only improves your vocabulary but also helps you understand the correct usage of articles and determiners. We've come to the end of our video, and I hope it has been an insightful journey for you. By recognizing and correcting these common errors, you'll be able to enhance your English grammar skills significantly. Remember, practice is key when it comes to mastering any language. Keep practicing, and you'll definitely make progress. Until our next video, happy learning!